Hi everyone, greeting of the day. This time I would like to share my experience when I was assigned as project planner and controller for a pipeline construction project for PT KDL Krakatau Daya Listrik located in Cilegon, West Java, Indonesia from MCS Bojonegoro to Jalan Pangung Rawi along 5,738 or 5.738 kilometer long. This project is located in an open area and is in direct contact with local communities, and this will of course be related to social constraints like the security coordination by involving official, community leaders, land acquisition, compensation, and others. Alhamdulillah, this gas pipeline construction project was successful without any work accident or zero accident. Beforehand, I would like to share in general what a piping construction project is and the kind of work in it. As we know, that piping work is divided into two main categories. First, piping on plan, second is pipeline. Let me discuss what a pipeline construction project is and work step in it. Pipeline as a whole are usually measured in diameter and sequential pipeline work step. First, preparation works. This work include line cleanup, pipeline transportation, heat directors, mobilization and demobilization. Second, survey and topography. Third, pipe alignment. Fourth, pipe welding. Pipe welding is broken down into two categories. First, line up, pipe welding on the ground. Second, tie-in, pipe welding underground. Fifth, NDA, non-destructive examination, or known as X-ray. Sixth, joint or repair coating. Seventh, excavation or trenching. This work is divided as follows: trenching of hot mix, normal trenching, temporary bridge or steel plate. Eighth, lowering in is the work of inserting pipe into the excavation. Ninth, backfilling and compaction. This work is divided into two parts. First, disposal of former excavated land. Second, landfill. 10th, road and river crossing work. This work is divided into three parts. First, crossing the road ground. Second, crossing the asphalt road. Third, river crossing. 11th, marker and project nameplate installation. First, marker every 100 meters. Second, marker every 500 meters. Third, project nameplate. Fourth, installation of marker tapes. 11th work step, repair work. This work is divided into three parts: repairing asphalt road or hot mix, repair of channel, including river or trench, cleaning the work area. 13th, civil work. Civil work in piping work are pipe support, pipe rack, pipe support foundation, block pallet box, and mechanical work. Mechanical work in piping work are ball valve installation, installation of start ball and nuts, gasket and pressure gate installation. 15th work step is pre-commissioning work. Pre-commissioning work is calculated in unit of lump sum. Okay. 16th, social cost or security. Okay. Here are the work step in a pipeline, and for a piping on plant, typical and overall work state are identical to pipeline work, but are more dominant piping on the ground or above ground piping, and there are relatively no social constraint because they are in the site plan. Relatively no crossing and repair work, trenching and lowering in, installation of marker tape, while civil or land preparation and mechanical works are executed separately by other disciplines. Okay, here are my brief explanation related to pipeline or piping construction projects and work step in it. Happy enjoy watching this video. Hopefully this will be useful and inspiring. And see you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.